Hi guys, I'm Shaurya Gupta. Welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna be replacing the 8GB RAM on this Dell Latitude 7390 with 16GB. So in other models, you would need to unscrew this box. That would be here most of the time. But in this model, we'll have to unscrew every single screw here. So now that we've unscrewed everything, the screws haven't gone out completely, but the back should come off easily. So here is the cooling fan, which sits right over the Intel i7 microprocessor. This blue thing is the motherboard. Here's the RAM, which we'll be replacing. This is the battery pack, and then this is the SSD, the solid state drive, which holds all the data. So now to take the 8 gigs of RAM, you need to remove these two metal pins. And to do so, all you need to do is just move them away. And just like that, the RAM popped out. So here's the 8GB of RAM, and here's the 16GB of RAM. The difference is that this one has 4 chips, each holding 2 gigs of RAM in each of them. But this one has 8 chips, each holding 2 gigs of RAM as well, making this 16 and this 8. Now to put in the new RAM, all you need to do is just slide it into the slot. And just like that, 16 gigs of RAM is now in. Now that we're done replacing the RAM, we just need to cover it up. So we first have to do the front side. And then lay it down like so. So now the next step is screwing it all in.